Hello everyone. In this video we'll see file handling in Python part 2. Okay, in the previous video we saw open, read, write and closing the files, right? Now in this video we are going to see setting the offset in a file. Okay. Now until now we have studied how to access a data sequentially one by one from a file, right? What if you want to access data in a random fashion? Okay, I want to read from the second line, from the third line. Okay, for that we are going to use two functions in Python. One is a seek and another one is tell. Okay, what is a tell? Tell returns an integer that specifies the current position of the file in the object. For example, I am somewhere here means the tell is going to tell the what is the position. Remember this is a zero based, right? So it is going to return an integer which is going to tell the position. What about the seek? Seek is position of the file object used to position the file object to at a particular position in a file. Meaning is it is going to move the pointers. Assume it is like a pointer in the file. Seek is going to move that much. Now what is the syntax for a tell? File object dot tell, then opening and closing parenthesis. Same thing for the seek. File object dot seek offset. Offset can be any integer value 1, 5, 6. That much it is going to move. Reference point. Reference point can be of 3. 0 means beginning of a file. If I give 1, it is from the current position. If I give 2, end of a file. And the square bracket indicates that it is a default one. It is an optional one. Meaning is if I don't, no need to specify, just offset is enough. Okay, if I don't specify, 0 will be considered as a beginning of a file will be a default one, right? Now we move on to the coding part of this, right? Now first we take a tell. And we save it here, right? Now first thing is I am reading the file in a binary way, because if you read in a read mode or a read mode, that may confuse you. So always read the file in a binary mode for this tell and seek function, right? Then I am going to print what is the position, current position. Then I am going to read and I am going to print that value. Now the file I am using is test.txt. okay, this is a file. So here it contains hello, good morning, good luck, thank you and regards. Now I am going to save this, then I execute this. I clear this one, then I execute this. Now this one and all comments line starting from line 4 tells the position. Now it is in the 0th position. Okay, then read. So read gives this, you copy and paste this one in the notepad ++ like this. I already done this. I will do this once again. Now what is this \r, and when you press enter in the binary mode it automatically include this. It's equivalent to enter. So carriage return and new line, right? So carriage each one will, so each this will be one count, right? 1 byte. Okay, now I'm going to comment out this. Now I'm going to now it reads this, then tell normally first will be 0, right? So 0th position. So then I am reading a, this is read the line, single line, right? Now it will read this line. This is a single line. So up to this. So hello is 5 character. You can see this 5 character down there in a notepad plus plus. You can see selection. I selected 5. Okay, hello, it shows 5. Then this is 1 and 2, so it is a 0 based. Now once I read the first line, it will be pointing G. Okay, that is 7th position, right? Now I will execute this code. First I save this one, then I execute this. This one tells the 0th position. Then I read this line. Okay, I read up to this. So 5 plus 2 7 is 0 based, so it says 7, right? Now this one tells 7. Now again I am reading the second line, which is good morning. Now good morning is totally 12 character plus 2 14, right? So 7 plus 14 21. So now after reading good morning, I say tell. Now tell position is 21, right? Now I am reading good luck. Now good luck is how many position? What is the number of character? Now good luck is 9, which include the space also, right? 9. So 9 plus 2 11. So 11. Here 21 plus 11 32, right? This is how the tell. Now assume that I include another line to read. Can you guess what is the outcome of this? I will save this. Now I read up to good luck, right? Now I say thank you. So what is the position it will display? Now it is saying 32, right? It says 32. Now thank you, how many characters? So normally thank you is 9 plus 2, so 11. So 11 32 plus 11, right? So it will be 43. Let me see, it displays 43. It displays 43, right? So like this it keeps go on. So you can play around and you can understand well about the tell. So tell will tell you the current position and it returns an integer value. Now we move on to the next portion, seek, right? What is seek? I take this one. Again I'm reading in a binary mode, read and binary mode. So when it is going to say 0, then I am saying 7, right? Though when I say 7, this is a 5, then 2, so it is 0 based, so it is going to display from good morning, right? Now I say seek means it will move the pointer to this, because as I said it will move the pointer. Now I move the pointer to G. Now I say read, so it is going to display, can you guess, from here until the end of the file. We'll see what is the outcome, right? Okay, now it displays here, skips the hello but displays from good morning, right? Now this is one thing I want to say. What if I remove this 0? What is the difference in this? No difference, because 0 is a default one, as I told you, right? Now we have other offsets and other reference points which we see now. Now when I say 1, it is from the current position of the file. Okay, now to demonstrate this I will take this example. Okay, I will say 7, right? Now for example, they are asking skip up to hello, right? Hello, they say skip good morning, right? And display hello, and from good luck you display up to this. So skip good morning. How to do this? Okay, Now first I want to display hello. For that what I am doing here is readline. You can change the program how you want. Then I want to skip this portion, right? Now how many characters this one is totally good morning is totally 12 plus 2, right? So I want to skip 14, right? Then I want to read. Let me see whether we get the correct outcome. Okay, now good morning is not printed here, correct? The good morning is not printed. Suppose I want to print hello and good morning and I want to skip good luck. This is for instance, okay? Now what I will do means I will copy this line, then so the first two lines will be printed here, hello and good morning. Then I want to skip this one. So how many? Totally 9 plus 2, 11. So I am going to say 11, comma, and then I save this. So now seek will skip those 11 characters. Then we are going to read this. Now I run this. Now hello, good morning. Now seek will forward the position, then we read the remaining part, right? Is this clear? Now what if I give a 0 here? Okay, now what is the outcome of this? Now the 0 means from the beginning of the file, okay? So from the beginning move 11 bytes or 11 characters. Now then it is going to read, see now we read this. It prints first line, then the second line, then it is starting from a space morning, because when you look at this 11 means this one is 5 plus 2 7 plus 5 0 based, so it is starting from this position, right? It is starting from this position, so that is the difference between a 0 and a 1. Now finally we move on to the end of a file. How to read the end of a file? Okay, now I save this file. Now I run this. So 2 indicates read from the end of the file, seek from the end of the file. Now 9 position. Now I run this, empty, because when you go from the backward it should be negative, right? Now regards is totally length is 7 plus this 2, so I give 9. Instead of giving 9 I should give minus 9, right? So this will give you 0 till, then seek will move backward from the backward 9 position, then read it. So if I read this one, it will say regards. Now it is currently pointing at R, it will read from here, okay? I hope tell and seek is clear for you. There are some more portions left in the file handling, which we will see in the next video. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.